going to be doing a butterfly locks tutorial in this video. It's great for beginners and it's super quick and easy to install. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So I had picked this hair up from sansbeauty.com. It is the authentic brand Butterfly Locs in 12-inch. And it comes with 6 packs and a free gift. And I got the number 2. And I actually soaked them in a vinegar wash the night before because they had like a slight smell to them. So now I'm about to install the hair. I had plaited up all of my hair and now I am sliding the crochet needle underneath one of those braids. So with the needle latch open, I am grabbing one of the locks and I had opened up the loop a little bit wider. And then I put it onto the latch. I pulled it through underneath the braid. And then what I had realized earlier, that since the lock is so large, I have to actually open up the loop even more. And then I'm just simply pulling the lock right through and securing it to that braid. I'm just repeating that same process again, sliding the hook underneath my braid with the latch open, putting the loop onto the latch and then closing it, pulling it through, stretching open the loop like so, and then pulling the lock through and securing it to my braid. I'm just repeating that same process on the back of my head. And as you can see, that is the braid pattern that I had used. I kind of did like a snake somewhat pattern in the back so that the braids can lay a certain way that I like. So what I'm doing right here is called the invisible knot method. So if you're wearing a left-sided part, you want to place the crochet needle on the right side of the braid. That way the knot won't show. So now I am all done. And at the end, I'll be sharing my thoughts on the hair. So I had installed the hair last night and now it's the next day and I am loving the style. It's just giving me like African goddess or some kind of vibes. I don't know, but I'm loving the hairstyle. I think I like wearing it to the side like this the most. I do want to say that the hair is pretty heavy though. It isn't really light at all. It is kind of heavy, you know, you can definitely feel it like on your head. It will take like a little bit of adjusting. And I did end up using all 6 packs. I could have maybe used like one more pack because I did find myself having to fill in some parts in the front, so I had to take from like the back. Would I recommend the hair? I would recommend the hair. I think that it was only like $20. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors. I'm kind of glad. At first I was like, should I have gotten maybe like a color? But I'm glad that I stuck to a number 2. I like the way that it looks with it just being a number 2. I do usually like to experiment with like different colors or maybe like blends, but I do like the number 2 in this style. This gives it even more of a natural boho kind of look. Yeah, so it took me maybe like an hour and a half to braid up like my hair, to do like my foundation braids underneath. And then I took like a couple of breaks yesterday because I had to go and run out. So I would say it probably took me maybe like another hour and a half to install the hair. So this is like a 3-hour hairstyle. That's what I love about crochet hair. You can get the braided look without getting the braided look, so you don't have to, so you're not sitting in the chair for hours on top of hours. I usually wear like my crochet styles for like a month, maybe 5-6 weeks. It depending on how the hair holds up or whatnot. I'm going to see how long I'm going to wear it, because it does come already distressed. So I don't know if I can get 6 weeks out of this. Time will tell, but I'm thinking maybe like at least 3 weeks to like a month. It is heavy, like I mentioned, so that's gonna be another factor. Even if you don't get this hair, I would definitely recommend trying out the Butterfly Locs look. I like this length. I did put a few hair jewels in the hair, not that many. I might put a few more. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give your girl a big fat like. And until next time, take care, y'all.